Hi everybody, welcome to another home video for Passing It On. I am Reena of Passing It On. Today I will be showing you how to make a date roll, and at the same time, with the same ingredients, I'm going to show you how to make another biscuit. So stay tuned. Okay, so now for the ingredients for the biscuits. I've got my cake flour, I've got rama margarine, I've got cornflour maizena, I've got icing sugar, oil, I've got my dates, vanilla essence, and I've got some glazed cherries, which I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. And then mom has already taken the seeds out of this dates, as you can see, and she's made it into this shape. So that's how you need to have it, and that's ready, done to be used. And I've got a little biscuit cutter, so I'm going to show you how to prepare the biscuits now. Okay, so now for the preparation of the batter, I've got my 100 grams of rama in here. I'm gonna add the half a cup of cooking oil to this. Okay, I'm gonna cream this. You can use your whisk at home, but I've got this electric beater, so I'm just gonna cream that together. So this is done. I'm just going to leave this here. I've got my stove on 140 right now, so it's getting ready. So to this mixture, I'm going to add a cup of cornflour, your maizena. Right. A bit of vanilla essence. In fact, there's a shortage of vanilla essence at the shop. Today I went to get some, and all we could get is strawberry essence. So you're going to mix this together with your wooden spoon. Okay, just mix. You can actually get the smell of the vanilla essence there. You can actually use caramel essence as well. Okay, so I'm going to mix this. So to this, I'm going to add a cup of icing sugar. Okay, going to mix this as well. Now it's time to add your cake flour. Your cake flour, I can't tell you how many cups. It depends on how soft you want your texture. Okay, so you add according to how it's required. So I'm just going to add first batch a bit and then see how it is. I'm going to mix this. In fact, now I will need to use my fingers because you have to really mix the dough. I'm just going to use that. So in fact, when you use your fingers, then you'll actually feel the softness of the dough. So you'll know, and the stickiness. So you'll know if you need to add more cake flour to it. But to me, this seems okay. So my dough is done. Now I'm going to show you how to roll the date roll. Okay, to the baking pan, I'm just going to add some spray and cook. Okay, so I'm just going to work with the dough now. I've got my date finger. I'm just going to put that there. You're going to take this. You're going to put it in there. And you're going to roll it. Can you see? That's how it's supposed to be. You're going to put it here. I'm just going to do another one. And you're just going to take the date, you're going to put it in, and then you're going to roll it over. Like a finger. Okay. Now, with the same dough, I don't have a biscuit cutter, so I've got a nozzle, and I'm going to make a little flour biscuit. Okay. This can be plain. You're just gonna put it there into, okay. Just gonna make another one. Okay. And to this, you can actually cut a cherry. So before you put that into the oven, just gonna place this, because sometimes I'm lazy to actually decorate the cake, the biscuit after I'm done. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and say about 10 to 15 minutes I'm gonna take it out again. Okay, so this is out from the oven. Okay, as you can see, it's nicely done. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna take this and put it over here, because this, while it's hot, you need to sprinkle it with icing sugar. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, got some icing sugar, just gonna sprinkle over there. Okay, and I'm just gonna take this biscuits. As you can see, it's nicely done as well. So that's that. Okay, so stay tuned for the plating. Okay, in fact, I've boxed my biscuits. I'm doing it for Mother's Day, which is tomorrow, and we can't go to shops and so on. So I actually did this for my mom at home, and this is her gift from me. And this is a simple thing that you can do at home as well, very economical. And if you have cake flour, butter, and your cornflour and whatever other ingredients that I've used, you can make a whole batch of biscuits. So this is something simple that could assist you for a gift as well when you can't go to the shop. So from me, Reena Govender, from passing it on from my kitchen to your kitchen, even as we charter into uncertain times in our life right now with the pandemic, just have hope and believe that all things will pass and the good times will come back to us. And during this time, just focus on yourself, appreciate the people that are in your life, and remember, you can conquer, you can be victorious. From me, take care and God bless.